This is my bedazzled makeup look. Hi everybody, so today I am going to be doing a bedazzled makeup look. So I have my colorful ColourPop palette, Fade into Hue. I have my rest of my basic makeup stuff. And then I have this little baggie which has all these colorful bedazzled jewel stones. This one is all different colors. If you could see that. Show here. And then this one is different sizes of both the clear ones and then also the kind of like multicolor ones. So we're gonna play with it. We're gonna see what we do. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do. I will figure it out as I go. But no, I just dropped everything. Okay, so I have just picked everything up. Newsflash. These things, they open up each part, but then also if you open every single part, the whole thing can lift off. And when I dropped it, it opened up every single part. I did not put everything back in size order because it's a lot of work. But for the most part, it's all in the two different color orders. So on the bottom of this one, it's like little multicolored clear, and then this top one is just the basic clear. But that was a learning lesson. And then obviously this one has different colors. This is light pink, hot pink, baby blue, like a little dark pinkish ruby red, black, another shade of pink. There's a lot of pinks in this. Orange, then we have purple, green, actual red, and then like this little peach color, and obviously extra clear, just in case you just want to travel with this one. So another thing that's included in this set is this, which is the pen to put it on. So this bottom part is the wax tip. I think I could just take this off. That's just to make sure it stays in here. So this bottom part is the wax tip to like hold everything together, and then this part is to kind of help move it around. So before I even start getting into this part, I am going to put on some makeup. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep my face, and I'm just gonna put on my foundation. Today I am using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter in 300 right there. Just gonna plop that right on. Also note, this is when I do put on my foundation or any cream based makeup, I press really hard on my skin to kind of embed it in there, and I feel like it does give me more of a flawless look to it. Just like that. And now from here I'm gonna go straight into my makeup. So I think because everything fell, I'm gonna keep my makeup fairly simple. I might just do like a little bit of color, but just keep it simple. I think I'm gonna end up doing like a liner and then another jewel liner above it, and then the rest just like a nice little hue of makeup. So I'm gonna take my Urban Decay palette, and I'm just gonna grab the brush that's in there, and I'm just gonna warm up my eyes. I'm gonna go into low blow and just go right there on the outside, right in the crease. I'm just gonna fluff that out a bit just to warm up my eyes. Nice and warm. I'm gonna go back again into low blow. and just right there in my crease. And just spread that out and around. There we go. So a little bit of warmth into my eyes. I'm trying to decide, do I want a lot of color or a little bit of color? So I think I am gonna spice it up with a little bit of color, just a little bit. And I'm gonna grab my Fade into Hue Color Pop palette right here, and I'm gonna go with Art Deco. Just gonna take a little bit. I'm just gonna put that right here at the outer corner. Okay, and I am gonna darken up the outside of that a bit with Cayenne. Just gonna add a little bit on the really furthest part. Okay, and now we're gonna add a little bit more color, and we're gonna go into Abstract. There, and put it right in this entire middle part. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take another brush, and I'm gonna take Shine Bright. I'm just gonna put that kind of like where the yellow and the orange meet. Okay, and now I'm just gonna kind of fluff out everything else. Okay. And I'm just gonna come back to Cayenne and make that outer part just slightly darker and kind of lift it up a bit. And blend that all out. Okay. Now from here, I'm gonna take my Stila black liner, and I'm just gonna put a nice little wing. Okay, now for the other side. Okay, so I have a nice little sunset sunrise on my eyes. Now we're gonna go in and try to do the most with the Bedazzled liner. I am going to do my best to take like the second smallest size, because I think that one will be the least tedious but also kind of fit my little eyeliner that I got going on here, which I missed a spot. There we go. So I'm placing this down in front of me, not at the edge of anything, so that way it does not fall. And I'm just gonna open up that little pocket, and I'm gonna grab one. And I realized it's easier to grab it on the top. You know what? We probably do need some lash glue for this part. So let me grab some lash glue. Okay, I have some lash glue. I have my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive in clear. And we are going to try again. So I'm gonna grab one and just like tip it And then I am going to whew. Oh, that was hard. That was so hard. It's cute. It's really, really cute. I don't know if I'm gonna do the full thing, but I will do my best to try because this is a lot of work. So I'm actually gonna do it on each side at the same time, just so that way if I get tired, at least I'll be symmetrical. So it's cute. I'm not gonna lie, it's still cute though. It's a lot, but it's still cute. Or you know what? I think I'm gonna put a few. No, I'm gonna try it. I think I'm gonna put inside and then outside. So I'll do one more on the outside and then an inside one. And just see how that looks first. Just trying not to make sure I didn't lose anything. But this wax pen, oh man. Probably wasn't the best example, but this wax pen picks up everything so fast. It makes it way easier. Okay. Just putting on these 6, I have to say I applaud makeup artists who, or just anybody who does makeup who like does this, because it's a lot. It's like a lot of work, and I just did 3. Let's see. I'm gonna try to add in some color to help out with this. So let's grab my orange. I'm just gonna do 1 dollop of orange here, and we'll just bring that in right on that inside with maybe like 3 others. We're getting somewhere, guys. We are getting somewhere. I don't know where that is, but we are getting there. Okay, that looks way better. I might add one more in there that's gonna be an orange one, so let me just get everything else. This one's just a bit too out. Push that. I don't know. And I think I'm gonna actually add 2 more there, just to kind of bring it all full circle. I think for somebody that has never bedazzled before, I did a fairly good job, if I do say so myself, and I do say so myself. So now from here, let's just finish up our makeup so we can call it a day. Now I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer. I actually realized I didn't even put mascara on of my eyes, so I'm gonna take my Stila Magnum XXX mascara. We're getting somewhere. Okay. And now I am going to grab my Mocha in Fenty Beauty. Just contour a little bit. Then my Bamboo matchstick, which is almost done. Just gonna swap that. And now I'm gonna take my Tarte blush in Peaceful. And then I'm gonna take my favorite, which is my NARS highlighter. Just gonna highlight some key points. The last thing I'm gonna do is take my Urban Decay lip pencils in Uptight and Stark Naked, and I'm just gonna outline. Then I'm just gonna put some Vaseline right on. Alright, so this is my final makeup look, all bedazzled and on, and I do want to apologize for the clips before. They are from my phone because my camera stopped recording in the middle and I did not realize until I was already done. So I was so upset, so sad, but I was just very thankful I was using my phone kind of as a mirror and I had it recording the whole time, so I was able to get at least how I did this whole makeup look on here. So that is why that footage is so different. But thank you for being patient with me and still watching the full video. I do want to say that this is the final bedazzled look and it is something that requires patience if you are going to do bedazzle on it. So those of you that do already work with gemstones like this or are just having fun with it and do it for fun, you are amazing because it requires so much patience. With the pen, which I have here, the wax part picks it up so easily. It's just, for me personally, getting it to stay on my face was the hardest part because it just wanted to stick to the wax. And if you are gonna do this, I say be patient with yourself, take your time, don't get frustrated if it's not looking how you want it to look right away. It's gonna look even better when you're all done, hopefully. And yeah, just take your time, be patient. So if you have ever worked with bedazzled gemstones, if you want to, if you have any comments, tips, suggestions, please let me know all down in the comments below. Thank you so much and bye.